go. No problem.
Asshole wax sans mask.
Yo, some crazy stuff happening in the night.
Go get my asshole wax, but I can't walk into a fucking McDonald's.
How long it took you, bro? No more ice skating, guys. That girl tried to chase that guy. For Doordash, she left. What the fuck? Thank you. I just received one order here. Thank you. Nope. I have to decline this one. Yeah, no problem. Oh yeah. Okay. There you go. Pick up 2 orders here. And Spider-Man trying to pick up 2 orders. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. C7C86. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. No problem. You too. Take care. It's just because there's one guy left. For Doordash, she left.
Give me a second, I'll be right there.
Would you double check this one?
Sure thing.
Excuse me. Would you double check on this one?
Sure.
I think your order is ready.
Is it here? Your order is ready. We're working on your order 3 to 4 minutes.
2 to 4?
Where is it? Sorry, can we sit and wait until...
Oh, I just have to look for my scooter there outside.
I'm so sorry to keep you waiting.
Oh, no problem, no problem. This is a good order. It's like 1.7 kilometers for $10, so I'm sticking with it. Good to purpose and YouTube videos.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Are you there on the YouTube?
Yeah, I was just showing guys my journey
And like, do
delivery.
you have subscribers and everything?
Yeah.
Wow. What's the channel name, please?
Oh, Chameleon Hustle?
Oh, is that you?
Yeah, that's the
We
one.
got 185 videos.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Thank you. Have a great day. Huh?
Take care, bye. Oh, wow. Past midnight on downtown. Wow. Nice editing, I must say this.
Oh, thank you.
You got catchy colors and combinations on this.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You too. All right. Just received one order here. Where's that going? Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Coke. No problem. And the drink here. They forgot to approve, so take your time.
Thank you, man.
No problem. Thank you. Oh, okay. It's the Impact's kitchen. Hello. Hi. It's for bait pickup for Kia. Thank you. Hello, how's it going? Kia?
Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem. Take care. No more ice skating, guys. Doordash. Thank you.
Appreciate the sound. 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 Appreciate the sound.
Hello. It's Barry F0.
Not here. Right to
Oh, the other side? Sorry.
Appreciate the sound. Appreciate the sound.
Hello. For Josia, UberEats, 92. Thank you.
Appreciate the sound. Appreciate the sound. Appreciate the sound.
Joshua? Good, how are you? There you go. Take care.
Appreciate your sound, need to breathe.
Yeah.
First run. And then few days.
I think I'm just gonna take the road. I'm just gonna go like this. This and then straight. You wanna take the easy road, like there's a road that goes.
It's a dope place. I've never been there.
Oh yeah, just go on top there.
Is this your spot?
Yeah. All right, let's go back.
Hi, UberEats. 7-8E5. 7-8 chicken skewer king kebab.
7-8? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. There we go. No problem. Take care. What the fuck? Oh shit. Yo, this guy's crazy, man.
Vai arrumar o rumo da sua vida, sua filha da puta! Você é um cocô de lixo!
Oh, what the fuck is it? Holy fuck. Dang. Yo, some crazy stuff happening in the night. That girl tried to chase that guy and she ended up falling down. I think that's the ones who were fighting earlier and the guy took off with his car. Damn. And who is this guy again? Wow. It's not even Friday yet. Well, technically it's Friday because it's past 12 now. But she tried to chase the guy and she ended up falling down. They're drunk as fuck. Oh, they're talking Portuguese? Sounded like Portuguese to me.
He's not doing shit. I don't know what he's doing. You guys still waiting for your order?
Yeah.
How fucking goddamn long?
They're just, I think they're making like 20 at a time and then they're gonna bring them all here. They're not bringing each one because they're definitely done.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one here. I think that's. What's your number?
2196.
That's 2187.
Oh shit.
No, they've done so many. We've been watching.
Yeah. Okay. This is fucking whack though. Like everything is open. I can go get my asshole waxed, but I can't walk into a fucking McDonald's. You know,
Toronto.
like
Yeah.
it's too much. Asshole wax sans mask, even right? Like
Oh, here's our iced
goddamn.
teas. This is nice. Everything?
Thank you.
Hi there, 2196,
Order
but
on the app.
we would like extra mayo and ketchup because we couldn't order on the app for some reason, so I can pay now with you.
When I get it, I'll do extra mayo, extra ketchup.
Yeah. 2196 not ready though? Oh, okay, got it.
You know.
It's coming.
Extra mayo, extra ketchup?
The mayo.
Yeah.
Hi. All the others are coming.
How long it took you, bro?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
I've been before, but I waited 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Just half an hour before.
I don't think. I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes
They
and see.
just bring everything at once. They don't just
Yeah.
bring one on at once.
I don't know. Probably I might decline this
They will
one.
just make everybody wait, not only one.
You have to like order on the app.
What?
Oh,
What's the
yeah,
app?
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, but the screen is like really full. It's only 4 of us there.
What about this one?
So the number 2? EP9?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
For Lucas. Thank you. From left. That's the one. Boss, it's 2 orders. Wait. Thank you. True.
Oh, I mean, you can't have a chicken sandwich without mayo.
They took my phone. Oh yeah, they took my phone. Thank you. You too. Take care. All right. I do have less than 2 bars. There's 1 bar left, and then there's one that ticks right here. So I think I'm just gonna go home. Oh, this one goes on Jarvis. It goes straight. This is Queen. It goes all the way Queen and Jarvis. So I would have gone straight with it, but no, I have to decline this one. And it's a pizza, so. And this one is 7-Eleven. Goes to Naga and Bathurst. Still no. It is busy, man. It is busy.